long as it's off the premises.
Puts a lot of strange things in his pocket.
James does too.
I put burritos in my pocket.
Yeah. And Velveeta cheese and what are those little Vienna sausages?
I have not put Vienna sausage in my pocket.
You did! It wrapped up in that Velveeta cheese when I went to do laundry one day. And I felt something in his pocket.
If it was wrapped up in Velveeta, I might have some there.
I put my hand in his pocket and felt this like lump of gooey stuff, and I was like, oh my god, what is that? And so then I take it out, you know, like all scared, and there's a big old hunk of Velveeta cheese with a little shriveled up meat inside of it. It was so gross.
That's plastic.
That is just like James. I'm being serious. You just don't want to discontinue. You don't. I've gotten where I don't even look. I just go in the wash and let it come what days.
That's the water deal with it, huh?